One of
sauce
them's
or
only
some
cheese.
sauce.
One of them. Okay, we need a
How to
cheese
cook.
pizza. Cheese pizza.
Fuck, I have a pizza on the thing.
Okay. What?
Yes, yes.
Pizza-
we need
pizza
to
sauce.
put stuff on it, you dumb fuck.
Oh,
Yeah,
son
but
of
it's
a
fucking
bitch.
stuck on there.
Is there a can opener? Is it the can
No,
opener
it's
here?
not.
Can opener here.
It's not coming
Can
out.
opener here. That's the can opener.
Oh, that's the can opener.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Okay, put it near the pizza.
Hell
Put it near
yeah,
the pizza.
Okay, go.
No, I need. Okay, there.
Okay,
there,
good.
There.
Okay, now mozzarella.
Mozzarella. What's the mozzarella on the
Yeah.
bitch?
Put that over here.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Oh,
Yeah,
hell
yeah.
yeah. Put it right. Put
Oh
it in
shit!
here,
I dropped
yeah.
it. I dropped it.
yeah.
I dropped
What
it.
the?
Oh,
You can't pick it up.
dummy.
It fell
We
off
have to
the
pick it up
thing.
with this.
You dummy. But to me.
Where the fuck did it go? Give me that. I got it.
Okay.
I'm putting it in
Put
the oven.
No.
What the fuck? Do
Okay,
we have
no, this is-
plates or something? I just fucking give it to him, fucking like whatever, fuck. How do I take it off the fucking thing, bro?
We need what?
Eat your fucking pizza, you piece of shit.
There's a truck.
Yeah, I just ordered food.
Oh, what the fuck was that? That was sick. We should not be doing a fucking pizza business. Jesus Christ. Oh, they're leaving. Your pizza's already done, sir. Come on.
Hoo-wee.
Oh, I threw the pizza in the garbage. Oh, shit.
Yeah, you're not getting that out.
Fuck. Boys, get plates.
Bro, we're fucking dealing with a rat. Your entire shit's on fire.
Don't
Let me
care.
help you with that.
Get a plate.
Okay,
Oh
okay.
my
Plate.
god.
Plate.
Okay,
Plate.
okay.
Oh my
Put it
god,
down.
the entire
Put it down.
story.
I
You're
have a
following
plate.
Alex. You're following the wrong guy.
Bro,
Put
your
it
entire
There's
story
your
is on
plate.
fuck-
Camden, turn.
Sausage. What do you mean?
Camden, turn to your right. Turn around.
How are you doing that? How are you doing that?
Plain hot dog and sausage and bread. I think it's not like put
And-
on is what it looks like. Like it's a sausage and bread on the side.
What the fuck?
Yes.
Oh fuck, we got 2 more customers. Oh
Somebody
No.
with the stupid taste like that needs to be
No.
fucking extinguished.
no.
Hey, I need that.
Where did it go?
Hey,
No.
stupid bitch. Ah, should I have to put it on a plate?
What the fuck? What are you doing? Did you? Here's your sausage, sir. Didn't mean to hit you in the back of the head. Fantastic meal. Good job, Camden. Keep it up. There you go.
Hell yeah, brother.
Thanks. Oh, they loved it, Camden. Good job.
Hell yeah, brother.
Give me this. Put this right in there. Okay, you know what? It's not gonna be in the bun, sir, but here you go. This isn't. Shut up, bitch.